The Lost Wealth, a moral story about fairness and justice. In a small village, a wealthy man lived a joyful and happy life with his wife and only son, James, who was just 10 years old. However, their blissful life took a tragic turn when the man passed away suddenly, leaving behind his grieving wife, young son, and a substantial fortune. After the man's death, his brother offered to take care of the family and manage the wealth left behind. Believing in his good intentions, James's mother entrusted him with managing the finances. But within months, the uncle betrayed that trust. He secretly sold all his late brother's properties, fled the country with the money, and started a new life abroad. There, he married a foreign widow, who owned a car dealership. Together, they expanded the business, opened several showrooms, and amassed a significant fortune. Despite their wealth, they remained childless. Meanwhile, James and his mother lived in modest poverty. Stripped of their wealth and possessions, they endured challenging conditions, but managed to survive through hard work and perseverance. 15 years later, the uncle returned to his homeland, now immensely wealthy after separating from his foreign wife. He bought a luxurious villa and established a car dealership company in the heart of the city. One day, James, now a graduate in economics, approached his uncle to seek employment. Instead of helping, the uncle rejected him angrily and warned him never to return. Years went by, and the uncle's fortune continued to grow. However, he remained indifferent to the plight of his late brother's family, offering them no support. Throughout this time, James's mother never lost hope. She prayed fervently for justice and for their rights to be restored. Her prayers were eventually answered. One day, the uncle met with a tragic accident on his way to work and died instantly. After his death, an astonishing revelation came to light. James, who had endured years of hardship and injustice, was the sole heir to the vast fortune his uncle had accumulated. The moral of the story: injustice doesn't last forever, and divine mercy comes at the right time, no matter how long it takes.